Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this Valentine's freehand nail design. So I'm going to start off by painting this pretty hollow by Oily. It's the infamous mirror ball. Everybody talks about mirror ball. I'm obsessed with it. It's just such a pretty hollow. Every time I go to Sally's, it's on sale and I always buy them. I must have like 3 or 4 bottles of them. I'm obsessed with this hollow. And I didn't add too much. I just wanted to give it a nice little background to it. Then I'm going to use my white polish and I'm going to create the heart on the tip of my nails. Now, I just thought this is a really easy and simple design to do. You don't necessarily have to add all the colors to it. I just thought that adding red, pink, and white is just the perfect Valentine's Day look. So as you can see, I'm using pink on the second layer. Now you can use a darker pink. I just love this pink. I got this pink from the dollar store. It's by LA Colors. I think it's LA Colors. And I just love this pink. And then I'm just going to add the red just to the very tip of the nail to the end. And this is just, like I said, you don't have to add all the colors together. It's so pretty. I just love the look of this design. Then I was going to leave this design plain, but then I decided to add the dots. It kind of gave it like a necklace look to it. And I added some white dots. And in between the dots, I'm just adding pink and red. Like I said, you don't have to add the dots. I just thought it looked really cute together. Just gave it a really cute Valentine's Day look. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy to follow. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.